Hey, what's up guys? Joe Bisping here. Sitting in my garage, Friday morning, and it is raining. It's raining pretty good too. And I don't think it's gonna stop. Well, it's not gonna. It's gonna get worse, they said. But today we got an oak tree to drop. It's just gonna be a quick, simple, easy drop. Hopefully, across the road, up here in town where I live, and I'm just gonna load the logs up for the guy in a trailer, so I was hoping to do some videoing for you guys on that. It's gonna be kind of hard to actually talk about what's going on because it's raining, but anyways, so I'm happy right now because I'm sitting in my garage and I'm dry and I'm just playing around with my saw. But this is what it looks like when I'm not happy out in the rain. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video.